Calories in a banana. Can a diabetic eat bananas daily? A medium-sized banana, about 7 inches long or approximately 118 grams, contains around 105 calories. The calorie content can vary slightly depending on the size. 90 calories for small banana, 105 calories for medium banana, and for large banana, around 121 calories. Bananas are a great source of essential nutrients including potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. Calories in banana shake. A typical banana shake is made with 1 medium banana, 1 cup of whole milk, and a little sugar or honey. Contains around 250 to 300 calories. The breakdown you can see: 105 calories for medium banana, 150 calories for 1 cup of whole milk, 40 to 60 calories for sugar or honey 1 tablespoon. If you're using low fat milk or other ingredients like almond milk or yogurt, the calorie count may vary. Calories in banana chips. Banana chips, which are usually deep fried and sometimes sweetened, are higher in calories than fresh bananas. A 1 ounce, that is 28 grams serving of banana chips contains about 150 to 160 calories. 1 cup of banana chips, around 150 grams, contain 480 to 500 calories. Because banana chips are often fried oil and contain added sugar, they are much higher in calories and fat than fresh bananas. Can a diabetic eat bananas daily? Yes, a diabetic can eat bananas daily, but it should be done in moderation and with attention to portion size. Bananas contain carbohydrates and natural sugars which impact blood sugar levels. However, they also offer important nutrients like potassium, fiber, and vitamins. A few things to be aware. Number 1, portion control. A small or medium-sized banana has a lower impact on blood sugar than a larger one. Aim for a smaller banana to minimize blood sugar spikes. Number 2, pairing with protein or healthy fats. Eating a banana alongside a source of protein like nuts or Greek yogurt or healthy fats can help slow down the absorption of sugar, preventing rapid blood sugar increases. Number 3, monitor blood sugar levels. Since each person reacts differently to foods, it's important for diabetics to monitor the blood sugar levels after eating bananas to understand how they affect them. Number 4, consider ripeness. The riper the banana, the higher its sugar content. Less ripe bananas or greener bananas contain more resistant starch, which may have more moderate effect on blood sugar. Incorporating bananas as part of a balanced diet rather than consuming them in large amounts is key for people with diabetes. Consulting your doctor or a nutritionist for personalized advice is always recommended. If you are on a weight loss journey, stay consistent, build healthy habits, and watch our videos for more tips. Visit erastoweightloss.com for more details. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.